Just wanted to go over where I saw some issues with the interactive photosynthesis activity. And so you had these two slides that you needed to fill out, as well as completing this interactive online link. So all of the answers to these two slides are actually in order as you go through these different slides in the interactive web activity. So you don't have to come up with these on their own. You can actually just open up one window and have that open up next to your window with your slides and fill them out as you go through it. The point of all of this is for you to actually be able to see and work out what protein synthesis is. So it shows you how information from DNA gets transferred to RNA. And then from RNA, it shows you how mRNA leaves the nucleus and goes out into the cytoplasm. And this is where you actually have to do the translation yourself. So it asks you to take the codons, reading these mRNA bases 3 at a time, and find their anticodons that go with it. So you know that AUG would pair up with UAC. So you know that this is the correct one. And so you would bring that down to the next spot. And so that one's just an example. Here's the actual one. So watch what happens when I bring that down. So notice I've now brought the first amino acid, that's this little bubble at the top. And that's actually what you are asked to fill out on your slide. So I would actually type in MET in this first spot right here. And so you're going to type in those 3-letter words, not AUGs, but the actual amino acid in each of these spots. And you're going to keep going until you get to the very end. And so the next one, GUA, is going to be CAU. So I see that right here. The next one's GUA. So here's GUA. So you're always going to look for what are the complementary bases. So AAA, remember there's no T's, so it'll be UUU. And so now on my slide, I'm going to type in MET, VAL, HIS. I'm going to keep going till I get to the very end and hopefully get to a stop codon. So hopefully as you go through it, you'll be able to type in all of those amino acid names here until you get to the end, and you can turn that back in for a better grade. Hope this helps you with the protein synthesis interactive and fill-in activity.